What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You're looking for a case for your iPhone 11 that's super slim? Well, I've always liked Tozo for meeting that need because they have made some really stinking slim cases before. So I just picked this up. It's from my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So it's the larger size here. Hopefully this sucker works. Looks like you put it in the bottom there. And I will just open it up at the top where it says open it up. And here we go. The nice thing about these covers, covers, I guess is what you call them, is they are just like a thin, I don't know if it's vacuum formed, like plastic. You can see how thin it is. It is like the plastic that goes on the outside of packaging, kind of like this. But it has a little bit of a matte texture, so you don't have fingerprints. You can see how nicely molded it is. And the cutouts here go around all the cameras and whatnot, so you can kind of see what it looks like. So it says bottom in first, so I'm going to put it in there, and then we'll push everything in, and then just goes like that. That's about as quick as it can possibly be. And I'm going to zoom in here because I want to show you, look how precise those cuts are. Now, there's a little bit of extra space around the buttons, kind of on the back side, the dorsal side, but that is really, really good. And then down here, you can see we have holes, exacting holes to meet the speaker and the microphone. Plenty of space around the lightning port, and then the button up top, fully enclosed up here. And then take a look at the camera lens. You know, it hugs the little hump great, and then it fits around the camera housings, so much so that it basically provides a little bit of flush protection to those camera lenses, man. So I think that is great. And take a look at the front. You can see it doesn't even go up to the glass. I mean, the glass is still a little higher, so it just is super huggy of the case and super flush. And if you want to be able to hold your phone and really have the experience of a naked phone and yet have some protection, like serious protection, even including the camera housing, this is a great way to go. So Tozo, I've loved their stuff in the past here. They've never let me down, and they are really inexpensive. So if you want to pick something like this up, I will put a link to it in the description. I got it on Amazon. Peter Von Panda, out.